On a warm day in a desert garden at San Diego State, Kinsey Brock is looking for lizards. She carries a long stick with a string lasso at one end to try to snare one. Finally, she does. It's a male.
Interesting fact,
Okay.
lizards and snakes have two penises.
No way.
And they use them both, not at the same time.
Brock is a professor of evolutionary biology at San Diego State, and she's caught a common San Diego lizard called a bluebelly or a fence lizard. She studies reptiles, and her current focus is understanding how they adapt to urban environments.
I think a lot of people's perception is that cities are places that are devoid of nature, and that couldn't be more untrue. Humans and our cities are a part of nature. We are one of the world's most influential ecosystem engineers.
And she adds those ecosystems are only going to expand. Her research has taken her to the Mediterranean region, where cities and towns have been home to lizards for thousands of years. One very common variety there is the wall lizard. International travel has caused that species to be introduced to Southern California.
These wall lizards have been brought from two different places in Italy to two different places in California. So they're in San Pedro, they're in Los Angeles, but they're also in San Diego County, up near San Marcos.
She says in LA they are doing very well, maybe a little too well if you're into California species conservation. Brock says she has yet to fully investigate the genetic differences between urban and country lizards. She has seen differences in color and body temperature. Urban lizards are more accustomed to humans, therefore less wary of them. And species selection could be related to environmental differences in heat, moisture due to irrigation, and the presence of animals that prey on them.
Bird diversity is greater outside of urban habitat than it is inside urban habitat. Birds like to prey on lizards. So do other small mammals and snakes especially. We tend to find fewer snakes in urban habitat.
Brock, by the way, is also an artist. Being new to SDSU, she's decorating her office. When she traveled to Greece, she saw ancient marble carvings called Cycladic figures. In an ink painting she created and keeps in her office, she gave them the heads of lizards. Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.